Hello, dear viewers. This is Discuss Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Well, today is 4th of July 2024, and the day is Thursday. And I welcome you here in yet another webinar by myself. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Discuss Copy Bank. Those who know me, they know that I'm an independent analyst and I have nothing to do with the Discuss Copy Bank, except I do trade with them. Okay, and I like them. They're, I'll say, honest brokers. Actually, they're bank, but they provide broking services. Okay, so I'm not affiliated with them, but I'm just using the YouTube platform to showcase my own, you can say, analysis and whatever my thoughts are on the currency pairs that I'm looking at, and even sometimes at the Bitcoin and the Brent also. So guys, if you're new here, this is a small introduction about myself and about the webinar, what we are going to do here. In the next few minutes, we will be having a look at the candlestick type of charts, from where we will try to find out the key levels for all the currency pairs that we see, and also a few commodities that we will see. Also, we will have a look at the Bitcoin. So please stick with me for the next 10 to 15 minutes. And before I start this webinar, I must tell you that this is a webinar only for information purpose. It is not a trading advice. I am not authorized to give you any trading advice, but yes, my knowledge or my experience in the trading or in the analysis, you can use that in the demo, and if you like, then it is your discretion if you want to use it on the real or not. Okay, but for, I think my webinar is useful enough for somebody to mark the key levels on the charts and to plan their trades around those levels. Okay, so let's go with the webinar first, but before that I must also show you this disclaimer, please, because the forex trading is done on the margin money and it is very risky. So please understand that is involved, and then we will just jump to the charts. All right, here. Oh, this is pound. I'm sorry. First chart should be the US dollar index always. Hi, Sandy, are you here still? And if you're here, then what are you doing nowadays? How is life? Why long time no see? All right, so like I was saying that a US dollar index, yes, you are. Okay. So US dollar index started making higher highs and higher lows for some time, and then eventually, some news came, and day before yesterday it fell like this. Okay. Now yesterday it fell like this. Now since it has fell, it has broken the market structure, and so below 104.99, what is the crucial level for us? That is this one, 104.21. That is the critical level. After that, the critical level is 103.85. So what are we targeting in this one? We are targeting 104.21 in this market now, and if that is traded, I mean if we trade lower than that, even 1 pip, then we will target 103.85. Now till the time we don't see a move above 105.77, we cannot look for any buying opportunities in this one. All right, so let's just go to the next, that is the pound. We already have arrived at this yesterday, that if we see a close above 1.2702, we can look for the buying opportunities and target 1.2860. There is nothing that has changed. I think in the Britain there is some election going on or something, and the US markets are closed. So there's not much of a movement. You can see the candlestick of today is just like the candlestick of Sunday. So the markets are not moving much, but yes, the key levels are intact. 1.2702 is the lower level, and 1.2860 is the upper level for us. Euro dollar, euro, we have witnessed when we had a triangle over here. I was talking to you about a breakout to the upside, potential breakout to the upside, and you can see that the price is, oh, thank God that today it is a holiday and uh, curtailed trading. Otherwise, I think the price would have met the target of 1.085 to today itself. But let's see if tomorrow or day after it meets that target or not. Okay. Now we'll be looking for only buying opportunities in the euro till the time we don't cross below this low here. Okay. Now, where is that? This is the low that I'm talking about, and it is standing at 1.0666. You want to keep this on your charts till the time this level is not traded. We are only looking for the buying opportunities in the euro. Okay. Australian dollar also had a good breakout yesterday above this falling channel, Now it is even trading above the horizontal level that we were looking for to offer some resistance, and it is trading steadily at the highs. So next target for us is 0.6871 in this market. If the market trades lower towards 0.6714, that can be seen as a buying opportunity tomorrow. And the first target be 0.6871 on the upside. And we'll keep looking for the buying opportunities till the time the price is trading above 0.6577 in this market. New Zealand dollar moving as we anticipated. This level here may offer some resistance to the price, that is 0.6145. Now, if that does not provide resistance and the price trades above this level, then there's a very high probability of the price going to 0.6224. But eventually, I think the price will make some resistance here. I mean, feel some resistance here and then maybe pull back a little before inching up towards 0.6222. USD CHF. Well, we are expecting this level to act as a support on the basis of this previous bullish price action that it has taken out, or the market structure that it has taken out. Now there should be an order block which push the prices here like that. Now if that order block does not get activated here again, or you can say in other words, if the buyers do not jump in again here and the price keep continue to the downside, then I think it will eventually take up this 0.8827 and also 0.8730. Now this is depending upon whether the US dollar takes support or not. Now I see dollar index, I don't think that there is any support on the way down. It's very deep. So USD CHF may break below this and close below this. If in that case, I think the level of 0.8913 will be open, but any trade lower than 0.8913 will open the way for 0.8827 in this one. USD CAD, we had anticipated this move. Any move lower than this line will offer another opportunity at the retest. If that happens, we'll be targeting 1.3478 in this market right now. The price is in a range where we don't want to trade it. Upside there is resistance, downside there is support. So we just want to stay away. We want to break out to the downside and then retrace. USD JPY. Yesterday there was a very good wick to the downside, and yes, if this week may suggest you, oh, there's a buy, but no. Okay, the market structure got shifted yesterday. You remember the market structure got shifted. If there's a shift in the market structure, you start selling. I mean, if it is bearish market structure, you start selling at the retest, and that is exactly what happened. At this order block, there was a retest, and prices headed lowers now. Okay, and expect the lower prices in the USD JPF for some time at least. So where is the resistance? The resistance is the highest high, 161.94. Where is the support? We don't know. This low that the price made on the 4-hour may be a support. On the daily, the support is very far, man. On the daily, the support is around 158.74. New Zealand CAD was moving steadily to the downside. Today, there is almost negligible candlestick. What would be appropriate level to open short? Oh, that is already gone, man. It was very high. You see this order block? Oh, 4-hour. On 4-hour, you see this white candle. The low of this candle was the price that you had to catch. That is already gone now. You see here, what is the low of this candle? 161.75. What is the high of this candle? 161.75. You see that? This is what you had to catch. In any case, okay, you did not catch it. So now what you can do, you can look for a retracement and then sell this market again, at least on the 1-hour. Yes or no? You see the market sold off like this, then it went here, sold off like this, then it went here, sold off like this. Now it has gone again here, and now it may again get sold off, but we have now a close support here. So you cannot say like this, okay, where you can go short now. Although at the current level 161.12 also you can go short, but then you will have a very small stop loss and a very small target also. Okay, look from that perspective. From 1-hour time frame, you can short right now. You can keep your stop above these highs and you can target this low, or I mean a little bit above that low. So the New Zealand CAD I was talking about is that yesterday there was an engulfing candle. I will not say bullish or bearish because it had wicks on the both sides. Today there is an inside bar. So we cannot say which direction the market wants to go. But the low that the price made yesterday here, it is suggesting that the prices may be headed lower. But since there was a fair value gap here and there was a just I'll say breach of that low, and then it closed higher. That means it has rejected this level, so it may advance to the upside again. I'm not sure yet, so I will just say that keep an eye on it. Don't stay away from it, but keep an eye on it. It may offer you another buying opportunity in this market. Bitcoin. Well, we suggested yesterday that the price can go to 56,564, although it is a bit shy of that, but I think still it will be able to manage to trade below 56,564. Now, what is the good news about this if the Bitcoin goes down? The good news about this is that your GTX, your RTX, all these graphics cards, they will be cheaper. Got it? So you will get cheaper graphics card. Why? Because the Bitcoin mining will stop or halt sometime. If the price goes below 56,564, it has to drop at least 17,000 from here. So 56 to minus 17, so it is very less. Okay, so nobody would like to mine the Bitcoin, which is not so profitable, right? Well, why I'm talking about that, I must be only talking about the prices and the charts. So anything lower than 56,564 will open up the way for this low here. I'll show you that low here. Okay. What is happening with the Brent? Wow, Brent is making higher highs, higher than this swing high. So what is the next swing high, guys? Next swing high is around 89.31. So that may be the potential target. 89.31 may be the potential next target for the price. I want to check it on the 1 minute because I was long in this one and then I got stopped out. Oh no. Yes, it is making higher highs. Very good. So it was somewhere here. I got stopped out. I guess. Guys, I was trading 1 minute. Anyway, so Bitcoin, sorry, now Brent is looking good. I think the buying here is looking good and looking real. 89.31 is what we should be expecting on this market in case it keeps traveling like this. Okay. Gold. The previous day's highs are the targets 2370, but the price has traded lower. What has happened with the gold? Why it is so low? Why the gold is so low? It was supposed to break the highs of today, but since the trading is not being done in the futures and others, I mean, there's limited trading in futures and others today, so it is still stuck at 2357. I'm expecting 2370 to be in this market because whenever the US dollar drops, the gold tends to rise. So yesterday there was a rise in the gold, and today also the same is expected if the price action like this continues. Why open? My charts are not opening, guys. I think there is some problem with the copy. Okay, my charts are open. So here you can see that the price was more or less trading in the same range. So we cannot talk about much about this one. Yeah, but you see Nikkei is following the wind and it is driving towards 41 138 levels. 41 138 level is the previous all-time high. So any rise above this will bring a very bullish price action in the Nikkei. I personally believe so, and so will be the other markets, I think, side by side. So keep an eye on this one. If you are trading future, you can trade Nikkei futures. Euro JPY, although it is rising, I'm not willing to buy this market because it is already at the all-time high. Buying trying to catch a flying pigeon is also very risky, just like to try to catch a falling knife. Okay. Yeah, this is just a pigeon is just another analogy. Okay, GBP AUD. We are looking for the lower prices, although the pound is very strong, you can see today, but the Australian dollar is much stronger and it has an open way to go higher, whereas the pound has so much of resistance on the way up. So what my expectation is, I'm expecting the pound to fall against the Australian dollar in the coming time, and we may see the prices lower towards 1.8586 very soon in this market. Okay. CHFJPY, I'm not interested in this market. or in New Zealand, I'm interested in this market. Australian dollar being very, very strong. 1.1041 is, I think, which we are going to achieve. And later on, we can even target 1.1493, but that may be a bit slow because even the New Zealand dollar is coming stronger now. Of course, Australian dollar is the strongest. It is making even higher highs. New Zealand dollar has not made any higher high yet. But yes, that is the factor which you can consider, that Australian dollar will be rising against the New Zealand dollar in the coming. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your questions, or you can suggest me if any particular pair that you want me to analyze right now in front. Anything in particular. All right, no questions in the chat. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section. And please consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.